All right, so Premji is here with another successful story, and we have a very handsome young boy sitting in front of us who says on his shirt he's very strong. So, hi, what's your name?
My name is Pratta Chando. I live in West India, West Bengal, Jalpaiguri. I'm
How
10 years old. I read in class 4.
nice, Pratay. I'm so happy to meet you. And we are here. I am here sitting in California, United States, and I am going to talk to you. And I know you have a very wonderful story to share with children of your age over here. What does your name mean, Pratay?
It means convictions.
Tell me, what are you convinced about?
I'm convinced about doing good things in life and be a good person in the life.
That is what we should all be striving towards. That's a lesson for grown-ups today. Is there something that you want to share with us here?
Today I'm share a story about what I suffer from ILI.
What is
Means
ILI?
it means influenza-like illness.
Influenza-like illness. Tell me what happened. You felt sick.
Yes,
What happened?
I had fever, have coughing, cold and cough means my these lungs were infected.
So when was this?
Few days back.
So you were coughing and you had fever. Was there anything else going on? You had cold, runny nose.
Yes.
Did your body hurt? Your body ache?
No, I have not body hurts and body ache. I have
Oh,
fever, cold, coughing. I had some weaknesses.
okay. So then what did you do?
Then I followed the three-step diet that is introduced by Dr. Bishur Brai Chaudhary. In first day, it was said that I should only drink the fruit juice and coconut water. I can't eat any rice or cooked food. That time was made terrible for me. I felt hungry, and that time my sister was eating, and I asked my mother that can I have some rice? Then she said, no, if you broke this protocol, then thing will be more terrible that you felt now.
So then you showed some conviction there. You proved your name.
And that night I was felt so hungry, but I know that in third day I could eat. So I sleep that night with hunger.
But you had coconut water.
Yes,
How many times?
six, seven, I mean 10 also times, 10 times.
Okay. And you were having coconut water at night also?
No,
Okay.
I've
And
last eaten coconut night as I can remember in 8 p.m.
what about citrus juice? Were you drinking that?
Citrus fruit juice I've eaten and drunk 9 to 10 means same as with coconut water.
So sometimes you were having coconut water, sometimes you're having citrus juice, like
Alternate,
mos,
alternate.
mosambi juice.
Most, yeah, pineapple, also pomegranate.
Okay. Pomegranate juice, like
Yes.
were you the whole with the seed in the blend mixie, or were you having without just juice?
No, with fiber.
All
Whole.
right. So you were having pomegranate juice, pineapple juice, mosambi juice, and coconut water, alternating
Yeah,
everything.
yeah,
All right. And then 8 p.m. you went to sleep. You went to bed.
yeah.
That's it.
No, I'm not going to sleep at 8 p.m. I go to sleep at 10 p.m.
After 2 hours of the last shot.
Okay. All right. So then what happened next day?
Next day, the second day, same was the first day, but a change was there I can eat salad. At noon, I eat salad, and that time I was mm, not weak, so that I felt it was not terrible as the first day.
Okay.
Then
So what kind of salad were you eating? What did you eat in your salad?
cucumber, carrot, tomato, this
All
this
raw,
vegetable.
All
without
just
salt.
chopped.
without salt. Yeah, chopped.
All right. So how many times did you eat this salad?
Only one time, only at the noon. The rest of time, before I go to sleep, I eat only coconut water and citrus fruit juice.
You took it a lot of
Children, this is
times
good.
again?
Yeah, 5 times.
So
After
how are
after
you
5 times.
feeling? By now, how are you feeling? So end of second day, how are you feeling?
I was feeling well than
Better,
the first day,
better
better
than
than
first.
first day.
Okay. Did you sleep through the night comfortably?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, nice. So then you woke up in the morning at what time? The third day.
8:30.
Okay. And then how are you feeling when you got up?
Obviously, I'm hungry.
Oh, and then what did you do?
Then I have some fruit juice because I ate the rice at the night.
Okay, you usually
Then,
eat rice at night. Is that what you're
yeah,
saying? Okay. So,
and the noon I ate salad. Means in the morning I ate fruit juice, as I said, fruit juice, coconut water. Then at the noon I ate salad. Before the time, between the time of the dinner and the lunch, I've only drunk coconut water and citrus fruit juice.
how many glasses do you think you had of coconut water and citrus fruit juice that day?
Six. 3 coconut water and 3 citrus fruit juice alternatively.
So then your cough had, what had happened to your cough and your cold and your fever by now?
I have fever in first 2 days, but in third day I was no fever and I have some coughing, but I have no cold with runny nose.
Okay. So then at night, the third day, you had rice
Yeah.
or rice with what?
Uh, Moong dal.
Moong dal. Okay, lentils. All right. Then did you have any citrus juice or coconut water after you ate?
No, no.
So then you went to sleep. And then,
Yeah.
and that fourth day when you got up, how were you?
I was feeling better. Means when the days passed, I was feeling better than previous days.
What happened to your cough and your weakness?
I have cough, but slightly, slight.
What about your weakness?
Weakness was obviously there, but as I said, slight, because I was only eaten first 2 days citrus fruit juice, and obviously weekend was there
Yes.
because I was not familiar with this, so have obviously weak.
So this was the first time you followed this protocol?
Yeah, I'm first time.
Have you fallen sick before like this?
Yeah, several times.
Earlier also you did recover from like that sickness, right?
Yeah, and I said that it was my first one. So before that, I was only eaten by allopathics like antibiotics, paracetamol, Calpol, like these all.
How high was your fever this time?
The fever was like 102, 101, like that.
So did you do water therapy?
Yeah, obviously.
You did water therapy. Your parents did water therapy?
Yeah,
Okay. And then your fever came down with that?
yeah.
Okay. And so on the fourth day, what happened? What did you eat?
Ate my normal diet, vegan diet that I eat most of my time.
From fourth day onwards, you were on regular food.
Yeah.
So were you having coconut water, citrus juice anytime on the fourth day? Did you take?
No,
Now you are absolutely fine. No weakness, no cold, no cough, no
no,
fever.
no,
Nothing.
no.
Were you afraid when you were sick?
No, I'm not afraid. I
Or
was believing that I would recover it one day, so I'm not afraid because I have get this several times.
okay, all right. Were your parents afraid?
because they also followed this protocol.
What did they fall sick?
There are total 5 members in the family, and all of them fall sick. First, my grandmother, means my mother's mother, fall sick. So I was a student, so my father was talking about their search, told that you should start this protocol, and on third day my grandmother's all sickness has gone, her fever was also gone. So after that I and my father got cold, fever, etc. We also followed this protocol. Between this, my mother also fall sick. She had fever of 103 like this. So first time he ate Calpol. From second day, he started this protocol. After getting my grandmother, means I have two grandmothers,
Yes.
one my father's mother and one my mother's mother. Now this time my father's father got sick. So
Yes.
father said that you should follow this protocol, but he was so afraid of first because he hadn't do like things without being put food. First time he felt so weak mentally and physically. Then she has gas acids, etc. So sir said if you have these ones, then you have to got pudinas, etc. Mint
Yes.
leaves, etc. She also got recovered. She also followed the protocol. It was very easy but terrible because we all first time do this thing. So everyone was terrible, including me, because it was very terrible.
Yes.
Being
Right.
without cooked food for 2-3 days is a bit terrible.
Okay, Pratyay, so tell me, so what was the experience this time that stood out for you, like following this protocol versus what you were doing before when you felt sick?
I was following this first time, and
Yes.
before that, I was given medicines, allopathy medicines. I feel much difference between it because I have eaten only fruits, and before it, I have to eat medicines, antibiotics, paracetamol, Calpol, as I said. In this protocol, it was very relief for us because if we want to go to the doctor, he said to go to the hospital, and he said that do tests. If we do not know that we was positive or negative, positive, then we have to obviously we have to go to hospitals, and hospitals in India is much costlier.
So he found that the protocol is easier and cheaper in comparing to that.
And it was very natural, means it is relief that there is not side effects of anything medicines like this protocol. We only drank fruit juice and coconut water. It was very natural, and I have very relief, but it was terrible. I'm saying every time that it was very terrible for me
If you
being
fall,
without food
if
3
you
days.
if you fall sick again, hopefully you will not because you would have built the immunity now. What will you do?
I will follow this protocol again.
And you will tell your friends about it?
I will say my friend about it, and I also say about it that if he or she falls sick, he must follow this protocol.
Now tell me, when you used to take medicines like antibiotics or whatever, what kind of side effects did you feel?
Yeah, after taking paracetamol, I was again like this, and after this, means it was getting higher after taking paracetamol, then it was giving lower. And antibiotics, I felt more weak than that is protocol because it is made of chemicals, and I know the chemistry.
So thank you so much. This was such a wonderful story. And I will love to speak to your parents, your dadi, your nani, both your grandmothers at some other point. Thank you so much, Pratyay. And we love the fact that you were strong, you were with conviction, you stood through and you went through the entire protocol, and now you are shining and strong.
I'm saying to all the peoples, including my ages of children in California, that don't get worried about this protocol. First, it was terrible, but don't get worried because it is the best way to get relief from ILI or influenza like illness because it is fully natural and it has no side effects. Goodbye.